Welcome back to Future Car, the place where we bring you closer to the cars that are shaping the roads of tomorrow, today. And in this video, we're taking a deep dive into a name that's been trusted for generations, the Honda Civic. Now, this isn't just another compact sedan. The Civic has evolved from its humble beginnings in the early 70s into one of the most refined, reliable, and surprisingly sporty cars on the market. What we're looking at today is the latest generation, and, let me tell you, it's more than just a commuter, it's a statement. From the outside, the design is clean and modern. Sharp lines, a low stance, and a more aggressive front grille give the Civic a bolder presence than ever before. LED headlights and taillights wrap the body in a futuristic glow that turns heads without being too flashy. Under the hood, you've got two main engine options, a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter four-cylinder or a punchier 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. And if you've never driven the Turbo Civic, you'll be surprised by how responsive and fun it feels, especially with the available manual transmission. Honda knows how to make driving engaging, and that DNA is still alive here. Inside, it's just as impressive. Minimalist design meets functionality. A digital instrument cluster, a responsive touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and available premium audio make this cabin feel like it belongs in a car, twice the price. But what really makes the Civic stand out is how it balances efficiency, performance, and value. With great fuel economy, Honda sensing safety features standard across all trims, and a reputation for reliability, this car fits into almost any lifestyle. So whether you're a first-time driver, a daily commuter, or someone who just appreciates a well-built machine, the Honda Civic continues to deliver. Thanks for watching Future Car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you drive the new Civic?